Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to save your money. If you're goaling to save your money for a better car, a better phone, a better apartment, traveling, then keep watching. I'm going to tell you the 5 best ways that I found personally that have helped me on my journey to save more money. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every week. If you're interested in following me in my life, traveling, fitness, health, then subscribe. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to talk about today is going to be, I know, so basic, meal prepping. For me, I found that when I don't meal prep, I always eat out. So I'm spending $20 to like $40 a day just on food, fast food. So not only am I feeling bad, I'm also spending all my money and feeling worse. So if you have meal prepped in the past and say you didn't like it, or maybe you were meal prepping like once a week, then meal prep once every 3 days. That's what I've been doing for the past like 3 months. I've been meal prepping once every 3 days, and I've been meal prepping different meals. So you don't have to meal prep the same thing for every single day. I have seen a huge difference in my bills at the end of the month since I've switched over to meal prepping. Granted, you're spending more money at one time at the grocery store instead of like a lot of like smaller amounts throughout the week. Just keep in mind though that those smaller amounts, they add up. They add up so fast. So meal prep your meals. That's the #1 thing to do, okay? #1. #2 is gonna have to be to unsubscribe from mailing lists. I know for me, I check my email on a daily basis. If I get a notification from one of my favorite retailers, say it was like Lululemon, they went on a blowout sale, 25% off. We all know Lululemon never does a 25% off, so if they did it, I would be insane not to buy something. Granted, I have all the Lululemon in the world. I don't need any more, but I would still spend my money because that's just who I am. That's me. I'm an impulsive shopper. I'm an impulsive buyer. Be a better me. Learn from my mistakes and put yourself in a better position. All right, guys. #3. I know this is gonna sound harsh, but if you're one of those people that has like 8 credit cards and they're all maxed out, you need to cut the cards. I'm just gonna tell you this right now. Cut the cards. If you really need them in the future, then you can call your bank and say that one of them was lost, or you know, they were lost or stolen, and then they'll send you a new one. But cut the cards. Don't cut all of them. Cut the major ones that you spend on. Pay off the debts. That's another thing. Pay off those credit card debts, because if you are sitting in a whole bunch of credit card debt, you are accruing interest. And this interest is putting you into further debt. It's not only that, but it's also hurting your credit score. Before you even start spending money or thinking about reaching your goal, pay off all of your debts. You know, if it's like student loan, don't let that hold you back. Pay it off on time, obviously. See if you can get ahead a few months. Because if you're ahead, then that looks better on your credit score, 1. And if you're ahead, 2, then you're fine for the next few months, you know? Yeah, so pay off the debts. That's gonna have to be #3, guys. You're still accruing interest. You're going into further debt if you are in debt, if that makes sense. Alright guys, so #4 is gonna have to be selling your stuff for money. If you have things that are laying around your house that you don't use anymore, sell it. If you have books or old phones or old electronics or old clothes, bookshelves, appliances, anything and everything, people are looking for a deal. Sell it. Go on eBay, go on Poshmark, go on Craigslist. Anything is pretty much better than nothing. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, those are also social media platforms where you can buy and sell things. #5 is going to have to be budgeting. Make yourself a budget. Make yourself a set plan where you're going to be able to see what money you're spending every week or every month. So you can see what you need to cut back on or what you need to help yourself to do better with. I have linked an Excel sheet that I use down below. I usually set mine to be 12 months So every month I see like each category of what I'm spending. The boxes that have a like hash sign or a number sign in them, that's going to be those boxes that you want to adjust. Everything else has a linked equation in it. It's going to self-populate to calculate what you're really spending every single month. There's also going to be a tab for travel. That's going to be if you travel and you need to still budget yourself on those trips, because you don't want to just be spending thousands of dollars while you're traveling abroad, right? You're going to want to watch what you're spending and do it day by day, because this is going to be how you spend all of your money when you don't have any. So when you're traveling, do a daily travel budget. I know this is going to be like really tedious, but do it. It's going to save you a lot of money so you can go on a trip closer in the near future. So budget yourself. Look at this budget that I created in Excel. See what you think. If you have a different Excel sheet that you use, or if you have a program that you use to budget yourself, leave a comment down below and tell me what it is. Tell me what your goal is for 2018 and what financial goals you're trying to accomplish. Yeah, so that's it, guys. If you like what you saw, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I do post videos every week, and they're pretty much just about my life. If you're interested, subscribe.